Namaste and good evening to all. Welcome to the 22nd day of October Yoga Challenge. So, as usual, we will start with making a humming sound three times. Sit with your eyes closed. Take a normal breath in, breathe out. Take a deep breath in, hold the breath, breathing out. Relax your shoulders, your arms, and your whole body. Breathe in for making a humming sound. Slowly and gently, you may open your eyes. So today we will do a full yogic breath. So those who don't know how to do full yogic breath, only they can remain your eyes open. Others can close your eyes. So how to do is, we'll start breathing in. We'll be breathing in our stomach. Blow your stomach out, and then continue breathing in. Expand your chest. We'll breathe in little more. Expand the side of the chest, and breathing. We'll continue breathing in and lift up our collarbone, this bone on top. And then breathing out, we relax our chest first. Then slowly continue breathing out. We relax our stomach, and we will pull our navel in, breathing out completely. So that's how we do full yogic breath. In full yogic breath, we breathe fully inside the torso, and then breathe out fully. Okay. So let's start. Close your eyes. Breathing in, expand your stomach. Continue breathing in, expand your chest, the side of your chest. Breathe in little more, lift up your collarbone. Breathing out, relax your collarbone. Relax your chest. Relax your stomach. And pull your navel in. Once again, breathing in, expand your stomach. Continue breathing in, expand your chest. Breathe in, expand the side of the chest, your rib cage. Continue breathing in, lift up your collarbone. And keep a gentle smile on the face. Breathing out, relax the collarbone. Relax your chest. Relax your stomach. And pull your navel in. Once again, breathe in, expand your stomach. Continue breathing in, expand your chest. The side of your chest. Breathe in, lift up the collarbone. Breathing out, relax the collarbone. Relax your chest. Relax your stomach. Pull your navel in. So continue for 2 more breaths on your own. Once you breathe out completely, relax. And slowly and gently open your eyes. So let's start rocking our body left and right like a pendulum. Left, right. This time when you go to the right, lift up your left arm up and your elbow also on the ground. Stretch your left arm and then to the left and stretch your right arm up. Make sure both of your hips are still on the ground and on the other side. And relax. Slowly come back to the center. Let's do the spine movement. Let's turn to the right side and take your right palm and place it on the left hip and place the left palm on your right knee and look behind your shoulder. Breathing in, come back to the center and on the other side. The right palm on your left knee and your left palm on the right side of the waist. Breathing in, come back to the center and breathing out to the right. In center and out to the left. One more time, right and left. Relax, come back to the center. Let's do neck rotation. Breathing in, take your head up. And breathing out, chin to the chest. Once again, breathing in, take your head up. And breathing out, chin to the chest. This time, breathing in from your right and back. And breathing out, left and front. In right and back and breathing out, left and front. Coordinate the movement with the breath and attention on your neck region with a smile on your face. And once you complete this round, reverse direction. Breathing in left and back and breathing out right and front. Continue. And once you complete this round, relax, slowly come back to the center. Let's do shoulder rotation. Gently place the palms on your shoulder. Join your elbows in front of the chest. Breathing in, take your arms up and back. And breathing out, down and front. Make a nice circle. Reverse direction, breathing in back and breathing out front and down. Reverse direction. And relax. Now let's shake our finger and stand up. We will just do some warm up. So shake your finger, shake your whole body. Shake it to the right and to the left. Keep shaking. Shake, 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 shake. Shake your whole body. Okay. Now let's start jogging slowly and bring your thighs up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Touch your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Breathe in from your nose and breathe out through the mouth. Catch a few breaths. Breathe in from the nose and breathe out through the mouth. Relax. Let's move into the asana. Breathing in, take your arms up, interlace the fingers, palms facing the sky. Slowly come up on your toes. Stretch your whole body. Come up on your toes. Nice stretch to your spine. Look at a single point in front of you. You'll be able to hold longer. And breathing out. Relax. Now let's do peacock stretch here. Take your arms behind the back. Interlace the fingers. Stretch your arms. Stretch your arms. Stretch your back and breathing out, bend from your waist and slowly go down. Go down as much as you can. Listen to your body and take your arms up. Both the arms pointing to the ceiling. And once you are completely down, you may drop your head as well. Stay here, take few breaths. Breathing in, slowly come up. And breathing out, relax. Now gently spread your leg little bit, around 1 to 2 feet apart. Breathing in, take your arms up. And breathing out, bend forward and hold your right foot or your right ankle, right shin bone, right knee, wherever you can. And look over your right shoulder. Look over your right shoulder. Continue breathing. Do not hold the breath. Feel the stretch on your lower back. Left side of the lower back. Breathing in, relax the hold, and breathing out, hold your left leg this time and look over your left shoulder. Look over your left shoulder. Breathing in, relax the hold and loosen up your arms and rock your body left and right as if you're a rag doll tied up to the spring, jumping up and down, moving left and right. Keep your knees loose. And now, gently sliding your palms on your leg, slowly come up. Come up. Okay, here we will do a swinging ha. I hope many of you remember how to do swinging ha. To release the botherations, whatever botherations you have today about somebody or the situation, COVID situation right now, whatever you have in your mind, just bring it and we will release it. So what we do is we breathe in to the right and breathe out to the left, making a sound ha. Okay, so let's start. Breathe in ha, in ha, in ha, in ha. Louder ha. One more time ha. Last time ha. Relax. Feel the sensation inside the body, around your chest region. Feel you have thrown out something and there is an emptiness there on the chest region. No? If still there is some botheration left, let's do it on the other side. Breathing to the left, in ha, in ha, in ha. Louder ha. One more time ha. Last time ha. Nice. Feel the sensations inside the body. Okay. Now let's come to the front of the mat. We will do one round of Surya Namaskar. A simple round without any variation. Maybe 1 or 2 simple variations. Okay. Breathe in and out. Namaste. 1. Join your palms together in front of the chest. Take few breaths. Breathing in. Take your arms up. Hips forward, head back. Stretch your whole body. Now breathing in, straighten your back, and breathing out, bend from your waist, keeping your back straight. Go down as much as you can, and gently place the palms by the side of your feet. And once the palms are on the ground, try to straighten up your leg. Breathing in, straighten your back, and breathing out, straighten your leg. Listen to your body. Do as much as you can. Now from here, breathing in, take your right leg back. Hold the breath and breathing out. Now breathing in, lift up your left arm up. Breathing out, relax your left arm. And breathe in and out, take your left leg back. Body is in straight line from head to the toe. In Chaturanga Dandasana. Breathing out, knee chest chin on the ground. Breathing in, Cobra. Breathing out, inverted V, the downward facing dog. Take your chest closer to your thigh and heels also touching to the ground. And here, breathing in, lift up your right leg up. Lift up your right leg up. Breathing out, relax your right leg. Once again, breathing in, lift up your left leg this time. Left leg up. Touch your left leg. And breathing out, relax your left leg. And now from here, breathing in, bring your right leg between the palms. Right leg between the palms. Breathing out, left leg. In, up and back. And breathing out, back to Namaste. Okay. Let's continue with the second half on the left. Breathe in and out, Namaste, 1, 2, front and up, 3, forward and down, 4, left leg back this time. Hold the breath, right leg back, breathing out, knee chest chin on the ground, breathing in, Cobra, breathing out, inverted V, in, left leg between the palms, breathing out, right leg, in, up and back, and breathing out, Namaste. Very good. Let's do Utkatasana, the imaginary chair pose. Breathing in, straighten your arms in front of the chest. Imagine there is a chair far behind you. Push your buttocks back. Go back. Keep your back straight. Back is straight. Go down. Go down. And when the thighs are exactly parallel to the ground, you just hold. Just hold. My someone is not mute. Just check. Okay, yeah. And slowly bring it down. Down. Sit down. Join your feet together. Now join your feet together. Bring it close to the body. As close as possible. Flap your legs. A butterfly pose. Smiling butterflies. Faster, faster. Just stop here. Breathing in, straighten your back. You may place both the feet around 4 to 6 inches far from the body. Keeping your back straight. Slowly go down. Press your elbow on the thighs so that the thighs remains on the ground. Keeping your back straight, go as much as you can. If you go only half or 30 degrees, that is good enough. And if you're able to go till your toe, it's better. But listen to your body. Do as much as you can. Breathing in, slowly come up, and breathing out, relax. So today we will here sit in Vajrasana and roar like a lion. So we did one exercise to get rid of the botheration. So if still there is some botheration left, let's do one more exercise. So normally lion roars, we'll be roaring like a lion, like what we used to do while standing. So today we will do sitting in Vajrasana, sitting on your knees and your heel. If you find difficult in sitting in knees and heel, you can sit in cross. Okay. So let's start. Make a claws in front of your shoulder like this. We'll be breathing in, taking our tongue out, and with the eyes wide open, we roar like a lion. Not only with the mouth, with each cell of your body. Okay. So let's start. Breathe in. Relax. Let go. All your botherations going far, far away. Let's do it one more time. Make a claws in front of your chest. Take a deep breath in. Helps to get rid of your botheration and also helps to clear your throat. Okay. From here, let's gently go into the child pose. Keep sitting in Vajrasana, keeping your back straight. Slide your palms in front of the chest and slowly go down and touch your forehead to the ground. But do not lift up your hips from the heel. If the hips are coming up, then you may make a fist like this and place it below the head. But keep your hips on the heel. Relax for a few breaths. And let's gently lie down on the stomach. Let's do some lying down postures on the stomach. Palms below the shoulder. Breathing in, slowly come up in Bhujangasana, the cobra pose, vertebra by vertebra. Your shoulders are rolled back. Stay here. Take few breaths. The smiling cobra. Do not forget the smile. Elbows are not far from the body. Elbows are close to the body, as close as possible. Breathing out, slowly go down. Stretch your arms over the head. And breathing in, lift up the upper half of your body and your thighs and come up to Superman or Superwoman posture. Fly high. Stay in Superman or Superwoman posture. Continue breathing. Do not hold the breath. Breathing out, relax, slowly go down. Bend your knees, hold the ankle. And breathing in, lift up in bow posture, Dhanurasana. Bow posture. Breathing out, relax. Gently flip over to the back. Let's do some lying down postures on the back. Let's start with the boat posture. Breathing in, take your arms up over the head. And breathing out, come to the boat posture. Your eyes, finger, and toe in straight line. Either you go for the high boat or the low boat like this, whatever is convenient to you. Eyes, finger, and toe in straight line. Stay here with the help of your abdominal muscles. And breathing out, relax, slowly go down. Now let's do lying spinal twist. Spread your arms on both the side of the body. It's also known as Natarajasana. Now bend your right leg. Place your right foot on the left knee. Right foot on the left knee. With the help of the left palm, take your right leg to the left side of the body. And you are facing the right palm. Every breath out, stretch little more. And breathing in, relax. Feel the spinal twist. Breathing in, slowly come up. And breathing out, straighten your leg. Now let's do it with the left leg. Now let's bend our left leg. Place your left foot on the right knee. With the help of the right palm, take your left leg to the right side of the body and you are facing the left palm. Make sure both of your shoulders are touching the ground. The left shoulder is not lifted. Feel the spinal twist. Breathing in, relax the stretch. And breathing out, straighten your leg. Now let's do Pavan Muktasana, the wind release pose. Breathing in, lift up both the legs and breathing out, bend it from your knee and bring it close to the chest, as close as possible. Once again, breathe in and then breathing out, lift the upper half of your body and bring your nose between the knee. Hold both the legs. Squeeze your whole body like an atom. And you may rock your body forward and backwards. Give a good massage to your whole back. Relax the head on the ground and rock sideways. And relax. Gently straighten your leg. Palms by the side of the body, facing the sky. Let's shake our body and make a humming sound. Shake your legs, shake your arms, flap your arms up and down, head left and right. Shake your whole body. Shake, 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 and make a humming sound. Relax. Feel the prana becoming alive in cell of your body. There is some sensation, some vibration in each and every cell of your body. Just feel the same. Keep your body still like a statue. Your eyeballs are also still. Your breath is becoming stiller and stiller. Let the body dissolve into the Mother Earth. And let your mind dissolve into the space. Gently bring the attention to the right leg. Right leg. Move your attention to the left leg. Genital region. Abdomen. Stomach near navel region. Chest near the heart. Right shoulder. And right arm. Left shoulder. And left arm. Throat and neck region. Face. Forehead. Top of the head. And whole body. Bring your attention to the whole body. Gently turn to your right side. And taking support of your arms, slowly sit up. Sitting normal cross leg. And you may slowly open your eyes. So today we will be doing a very beautiful meditation, which is called as chakra meditation. So before we start chakra, let me give you some information about chakra meditation, what it is all about. So basically there are around 1,72,000 nadis in our body. And these nadis are like the energy channels. So these energy channels meet at different places, like the highways, they meet at the junctions. So these energy channels also meet at different places. And the places where a lot of energy channels meet is called as chakras. So there are around 109 chakras in our body. But out of those 109 chakras, the 7 chakras are the very important ones. So we will talk about those 7 chakras. The first chakra is at the base of the spine, from where the spine begins, near your anus. And the second chakra is behind your genital, just 4 inches above the base of the spine, and it's all on the spine. The second chakra is behind the genital. The third is around your navel region, just above the navel. This is the third chakra. The fourth chakra is Anahat chakra, around your heart region. The fifth is Vishuddhi chakra, on your neck. The sixth is between the eyebrows. This is Agnya chakra, between the eyebrows. And the seventh is Sahasrara. So these are the seven chakras which are very important. So what happens is in our body, the energy, the same energy which gets manifested in different forms. So when the energy is at the Muladhara chakra, there are two forms of that energy. The one form is a negative form, which is dullness. The second form is inertia, dullness or inertia. Then when we move to the second chakra a little bit upward, which is behind the genital, which is called Swadhisthana chakra. So this chakra is for creation, that means creativity or procreation or the sexual energy. Either we go to the negative as sexual energy or creativity. So that is the second chakra. When the energy moves to the third chakra, which is our Manipur chakra, above the navel, this chakra, the energy is either in the form of jealousy and greed or joy and generosity. So the two negatives and two positives. Then when we move, our energy moves upward to the heart chakra. Around this chakra, there are three forms here. So three emotions or three manifestations. One is like hatred. Either you are in the hatred mode or fear or love. When you are loving somebody, there will be either of one, either hate, fear, or love. This portion on the heart. And then we move to the fifth chakra, which is Vishuddhi chakra on the neck region. Here the energy is in two forms. One is called grief or gratefulness. Like when you're in grief, throat chokes, you know that, right? Or when you're very, very grateful to someone or very grateful to something, very grateful to God of whatever He has given to you, then also the throat chokes. So this is Vishuddhi chakra. Then we move to the next chakra, which is Agnya chakra, between the eyebrows. The same energy when goes to the Agnya chakra, the alertness, awareness, or anger. So these are the two forms. So everywhere we discuss about one negative and positive, right? So anger and alertness. And then finally, when the same energy moves to the top of the head, this chakra is called Sahasrara chakra. Here there is only one form, which is bliss, Anand. So these are the seven chakras, and the energy moves slowly from bottom to up. So what we'll do a beautiful meditation where we will bring our attention to these different chakras and then slowly move up. Okay. So let's sit with our eyes closed. We might take 2-3 minutes extra today. So I hope it will be fine to all. Let's sit with your eyes closed, palms facing the sky, spine erect, body relaxed and loose. Now gently bring your attention to the first chakra, the base of the spine, Manipur chakra. Feel some sensations or vibrations around that region, the base of the spine. Keep your attention at the base of the spine. Now gently move your attention to the second chakra, behind the genital, 4 inches above the base of the spine, behind the genital. gentle attention behind this genital region. Breathing and gently move your attention to the third chakra, just above the navel. Feel some sensations or vibrations around that region.
Iya.
Gently move your attention to the next chakra around your heart region. Very gentle attention. Not focus or push too much. Just awareness on that area. Breathe in and gently move your attention to the fifth chakra around your throat region. Feel the sensation inside the neck, around your neck. Breathe in and gently move your attention between the eyebrows. Breathe in and gently move your attention to the top of the head. Swastika chakra. Breathe in and let go all your efforts and relax. Keeping a gentle smile on your face. A deep breath in and breathe out with a smile. You may gently move your finger gentle movement of your hand. Become aware of your body and the surrounding. And whenever you feel complete, you may slowly and gently open your eyes. So with this, we conclude this session for day 22nd.